Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will talk about the various steps of Tapo C200 Wi-Fi CCTV camera installation process that make your setup process easier and faster. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Unbox the camera and make sure you have all the necessary components: the camera, power adapter, mounting plate, screws, and user manual. So let's start the setup process. Plug the camera into a power outlet using the provided power adapter. Download the Tapo app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone or tablet. Install the app and open it. If you don't already have a TP-Link account, create one by following the prompts in the app. If you already have an account, log in. In the Tapo app, tap on the icon or the Add Device button to add a new device. Select cameras from the list of device types, then choose Tapo C200. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the process, including turning on the camera and waiting for the LED to start blinking red and green. When prompted, connect your smartphone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi network, usually named Tapo_camera_XXXX. Once connected, return to the Tapo app, and it will ask you to select your home Wi-Fi network. After connecting to your Wi-Fi, the camera will be registered to your account, and you'll be prompted to name your camera and set a location. You can also set a password for the camera, which adds a layer of security. Once setup is complete, you'll be able to view the camera's live feed and adjust settings directly from the Tapo app. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.